Tax credits and benefits for Ontario seniors. If you are 65 years old and over, you could get up to $1,500 to help with the cost of making your home safe and more accessible. The Healthy Homes Renovation Tax Credit is a permanent, refundable personal income tax credit for seniors and family members who live with them. If you qualify, you can claim up to $10,000 worth of eligible home improvements on your tax return. The amount of money you get back for these expenses is calculated as 15% of the eligible expenses you claim. For example, if you spend and then claim $10,000 worth of eligible expenses, you could be eligible to receive $1,500. The Healthy Homes Renovation Tax Credit can help with the costs of improving safety and accessibility in your home. Seniors and their family members at all income levels are eligible. To learn more, please visit our website, www.rumanek.com.